I'm going to read a formal statement that's really very interesting, and then expound upon it a bit. Uh, the relation between subtraction and division is noticeable by the realization that when man first thought to algorithmically solve for division and subtraction, he would have to take away and divide from the larger number. He thought in positive terms until he realized he could go into the negative, probably when first was learning to barter. When early man first started of thinking of things, he thought of the larger number, like I've got 50 sheep. If I take away 5, what will I have left? Well, addition, you can just put things together, he would notice, and it'd be the same number no matter how much. But the order of operations would spurn when he first realized that he could go into the negative. And that is probably when he could occur debt, or when bartering first occurred between peoples. Uh, this is really very interesting because it's a take on early man's progress in his ability and evolution of thought and evolution of the mind. Uh, and the search for algorithms and algorithmic notation was pure genius back then, for these guys to realize that they can go into the negative. It was the big bang of their day. Whoa, I can go into debt. I can record negativity, you know. So that's very, very interesting. And the statement I read, you really, really got to dig into it and understand it to the point if you really want to get to fundamental mathematics. And that's what I really love. I really love thinking about the fundamentals and the impact of the fundamentals and the results of the fundamentals and the what I might dig up from the fundamentals that other mathematicians might have missed, which I don't really consider myself a mathematician. What I consider myself is just a fundamentalist in mathematics and physics, and I glean fruit from the fundamentals, knowing my fundamentals very, very well and digging into my fundamentals. So, thank you.